After nearly 4 years of full-time living, I think we may have cracked the code on staying organized in a tiny space. From handleless cookware to clever hidden storage, these 10 game-changing items, they have saved our sanity, and they can save yours too. So stick around and see how we maximize every inch of our RV.
1, 2, get ready to roll. If you're moving with the beat, then you're moving with the flow. Say 3, 4, get ready for more. We ain't come to mess around, we just come to hit the floor, yeah.
Hey Ramblers, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, we're just full-time RVers and we're sharing tips to make life on the road easier and more enjoyable. Today we'll be diving into our top 10 must-have organizational products that keep our RV clutter-free and functional. In a small space, every inch counts, and these items have been absolute game changers. Plus, we'll share where you can grab them and how they've held up over time. So let's jump in. First up are these handleless pots and pans. These things have a removable handle so they nest perfectly inside each other, saving us a ton of cabinet space. No more wrestling with clunky handles or feeling like we're putting a jigsaw puzzle together every time we put dishes away. We've been using these for about 2 years now, and they're still in fantastic shape. They're non-stick, easy to clean, and super durable. What'd you pay? $49.99?
I actually don't remember. It's a long time ago.
They're a steal for the space you save and the quality you get. We found ours on Amazon. We'll drop a link in the description below. Why don't you show them off to them, Liz?
Okay, here's how it goes on. You just pull this push this little button. Squeeze the handle. That's it. And I guess for confidence, you can keep squeezing that if you want to, but it's pretty sturdy. And then to release it, you just push back and it comes off. And so I can use that on that one. Squeezed. Good to go. And then squeeze it back and it lets go. So kind of rubber gripper type end there, flat there, but when you squeeze it together, it just stays locked.
Number 2 on the list are these Rubbermaid stackable food storage containers.
So I had a couple of problems to solve with these. One is that I've been trying to move away from plastic and toward glass, which is not really always user-friendly in an RV that bounces down the road. So one of the things I've been looking for is stackable, also very secure, and glass, of course. And so these Rubbermaid containers worked out great. You can get different sizes. I started with a test set of 4, and what these allow me to do is to both store in a safe container, but also to see through it and see what's in there. And I can stack them in the pantry, or when we're sitting still, I can stack them in the refrigerator. When we travel down the road, I just put them side by side, and they work fine. But they don't stain. They're microwave safe. You can actually bake in them if you take the lid off, because the lid is not glass. So that allows us to heat things up a lot safer. No staining of spaghetti sauce on the plastic containers, stuff like that. These are great.
That leads us to number 3, mason jars. Mason jars are unsung heroes of the RV organization. We picked them up a set for like 38 bucks, I think, off of Amazon. You get a versatile set you can use for everything. What do you use them for, baby?
So I use them for storing. I can do leftovers. By the way, this is glass, and it does come with the metal lid. I buy these plastic lids because they screw on and they don't rust. But obviously I don't microwave in those. But aside from the bigger glasses, if you ever eat Bonnie Maman jelly, these work great too.
You use a ton of those for
Yeah, you got the glass. But I put my fruits and vegetables in all of these different jars. This was a really large Bonnie Maman. So if you haven't learned the trick yet, you can store a ton of fresh fruit and cut up vegetables in these jars to save them for a very long time, right?
Yeah, like our strawberries.
Yeah, and blueberries. So they usually go bad really fast. So if you will put, it depends on what you're using or what you're storing, but like berries, you don't wash them first. You put them in the jar, just put them in, close them up. Whenever you're ready to eat them, take them out of the fridge, wash them, and they're good to go. I've had blueberries in here for like 2 months, and too. It's really good. Yeah.
We'll buy strawberries and they'll go bad on the counter
Yeah.
before the week's over, but we've had them in there for 2 weeks at a time.
Yeah, and strawberries actually you wash first, dry real good, and then put in there. But this is actually celery. Now, if you have celery that's already gone soft in the fridge because you didn't know this trick before, you can actually cut it up, wash it, put it in a jar of water, and it will become really crispy. And be careful because if you overload it tight because it's limp, it's crispy, you can't get it back out. But when I buy celery, if I don't eat it in the first, I don't know, probably a few days, I go ahead and slice it up, put it in water, and these stay good for months. I don't even, or for several weeks. I don't actually write the date on them. I just wait till they're going bad. But I do this a lot with fruits and vegetables because they go bad so fast for us. But they stay considerably longer in these. And just a side comment, when you store stuff like this, obviously you have to be a little more careful when you're going down the road. So I do use a variety of dividers, but it's all stuff like koozies that you normally have sitting around, or if I have pot holders, things like that, I'll just stack them in between. But we put them in a drawer so they don't bounce out of the cabinets, except for the drinking glasses. So.
Number 4 are clear pantry storage containers. The clear pantry storage containers are game changers for dry goods. No more ripped bags of rice or mystery spices spilling everywhere. These things are airtight containers and we can see right through them, so we can spot exactly what we need when we need it. You can't really tell it because we have to live here, obviously, but this has really organized our pantry a lot more. I could never do this well. Rosie is very good at stacking this stuff and packing it in. We use these things. She's bought some of them online at Amazon, and other ones are like Cafe Bustelo instant coffee things that she uses. Like, here's my favorite. I get to put my chocolate chip cookies in here. But she keeps all the lids and everything, just puts them in here and organizes it. Next, we have vacuum sealed bags. These vacuum sealed bags are a total space saver. For around 20 bucks, they're a budget friendly win too. We use them for blankets and pillows, winter clothes, and extra bedding. Just put them in the bag, suck the air out with a vacuum cleaner, and they shrink down to almost nothing. We store them under our bed or in the drawer over our fireplace heater. They free up so much space. They're perfect for seasonal items and anything bulky. They've kept everything fresh and protected for years too. Next is a sneaky storage hack. It's a wicker basket attached to the back of our chair. It's perfect for stashing small items like books, chargers, gum, or snacks. It's out of sight, so our living area stays clutter-free. But it's super easy to reach when Rosie needs to get something by her chair. It's kind of like her little coffee table. This simple addition has made our space feel so much more organized. Perfect. Let's see how good you can get that one. All right, now let's talk about a shower caddy. In a tiny RV bathroom, every inch counts, and this thing, it keeps our shampoos, soaps, and hair products all organized and off the counter. And it was simple to install. Actually, this one just sits on the floor and slides in between the seat right here. It's a plastic weave so it doesn't rust or slip, and it's no more cluttered shower stalls or knocking bottles over, and it keeps the bathroom looking really nice. Next on the list is this truck bed toolbox. For all you DIYers out there, this toolbox for the back of our trucks is a must. It keeps all our tools organized, secure, and easily accessible. No more digging through the basement or the cab of the truck. It's weatherproof so our tools stay safe in any conditions, and it's lockable for peace of mind. This has saved us so much time and frustration on the road. If you carry tools, this toolbox is a total game changer. We also installed these sewer hose storage tubes. It was only 46 bucks, and it keeps the messy stuff separate, freeing up the regular compartments. It's durable, easy to install, and a total RV hygiene essential. We got ours on Amazon. It's been a game changer for keeping things clean. Last but not least is this 80-gallon deck box. This thing holds our camping chairs, our folding tables, and more. It keeps the basement storage free of all this other stuff that we have. It's weatherproof, lockable, and it survived a year of all the different kinds of elements. This is a must for decluttering your outdoor gear. Before we go, here's 3 quick tips for RV organization. First, measure your space before buying. RV compartments are tricky. Second, prioritize multiple use items like mason jars to save money and space. And third, check secondhand stores or online marketplaces for deals on baskets or deck boxes. The small changes make a huge difference in a tiny home. Well guys, that's our top 10 organizational items for full-time RV living, from kitchen hacks to outdoor solutions. These keep our RV tidy and spacious. Which one's your favorite? Drop it in the comments and share your own RV organization tips. If you love this video, give us a thumbs up and hit that like button. Hey, and subscribe if you're new here and ring that bell for more weekly RV content. We're gonna put the product links in the description below. So thanks for watching. Y'all stay safe out there. We'll see you next week. Set daily for 2 years, is that right? And they're all, and they're still fantastic. Damn it! I was gonna. We're just full-time RVers sharing tips on make life on the road. Golly. Number 2 on the list are these Rubbermaid store. Damn it. We store them under our bed and the drawer over our fire. These keep our RV tidy and spacious. Spacious? Tidy and spacious. Spacious. Again, I did it. Rubbermaids.
What?